What's up YouTube? Anthony coming in with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with all my videos. So in this video, I'm going to share an experience of mine. I want to share something that you guys should be doing every day in your business. So let's just dive right into it.
Oh man, my legs so goddamn cold. Diamonds when my teeth are sore. I got homies, let it go.
Figure things out to making over, I don't know, he did a record month. As you can see his whiteboard, some of the numbers there in the background. But what's up, Anthony? You want to introduce yourself, give everyone an overview?
What's up, everybody? I'm Anthony Alfonso, and in this video I just want to give everyone who's interested in affiliate marketing and wanting to take your online business to the next level, I want to share 3 strategies, whether you're beginner or advanced, that you should keep in mind when you're starting your journey out and you're starting to run campaigns.
Awesome, man.
So the number one thing I want to mention is budget. So whenever you want to get into affiliate marketing, a lot of people say that you can start with $0, and that's fine. You can do reviews, you can go post in groups, but a lot of the methods that have helped me find success is paid advertising. So a lot of the content that I teach is with paid advertising. So when you're getting started with affiliate marketing, make sure you have a budget. And something that I did whenever I started affiliate marketing is I worked 9 hours a day, 10 hours a day, 12 hours a day, just grinding. Construction every day, going in at 110 degrees, breaking my back, just so I would have a budget in the beginning to actually test out my campaigns. And now also another tip for everybody is your mindset. Because when you start to buy data on Facebook, you're never really losing money. So you want to make sure you have a proper mindset when you're actually getting started that, yes, I have $1,000 that I'm going to test with, and because I have this $1,000, I'm not scared to lose this due to buying data. So make sure your mindset's right when you have that budget. And the last tip I want to mention is actually having tools around your business. Because when your mindset's right and your budget's right, then you're not scared to invest in the tools around your business. So you're collecting emails, you're building an asset because you're giving value to that email list. And then you have your ClickFunnels, your Builder Reel, your hosting, and you have all the tools in place to run your business for the long term. Because when I started out my business, I was buying data, losing money in the beginning, but then I had all these tools I was going to work for every day just to have these tools. So in your journey, begin with the mind and end. So know that what you want your end result to be. And it's interesting because I told myself at the beginning of the year, January 1st, I said, if I could make $50,000 this year, I'll be excited. Like if I could just make $50,000 profit this year, I'd be so excited. And it was interesting because I filmed that clip and I easily passed that. Now it did take hard work. It didn't happen over just 1 hour of me saying like, yeah, I'm going to do affiliate marketing. I'm going to turn on Bing ads and Facebook and make money. It took a lot of work in the testing phase and it took a lot of mistakes for me to make that. So if I could tell anybody anything who's a beginner, it would be to have a budget, be ready to test, and make sure you're coming into this entire business with the right mindset. Not to get rich quick, but for a long-term business. So yeah, if you're a beginner, feel free to message me if you guys ever need help, or shoot Ryan a message, and I'm happy to help. So yeah, I hope that answers anybody's question who's in the beginning stages and getting started in building their business.
Definitely, man. I want to touch on those 3 points real quick. So the first one is budget. Can someone start with, what if someone doesn't have a budget to spend? Like, is it viable to get free traffic, generate some commissions, and put that money aside for a budget?
Yeah, so what I would recommend is if you're on a shoestring budget and you're just getting started with affiliate marketing and you want to get some commissions, so the 3 things I would say to do is 1, create a Facebook group around the product that you want to promote. So think about products that are evergreen. Start an entrepreneur Facebook group with people that's a vast variety, which is social media marketing, personal branding, affiliate marketing. Build a community to where you can put links and monetize that group. That's a free way to start earning commissions. Now another way would be starting a YouTube channel and building a following towards something that you're passionate in. So another thing is building an Instagram up or building up a following for specific products. That's probably the easiest way to get started earning commissions. One of my first affiliate commissions came in from a YouTube video. And then I started to learn about affiliate marketing through that way. And then I progressed up and wanted to get more advanced into paid advertising. So free traffic can also work, but it just requires more time in the beginning to start building everything up.
Nice, man. Nice. So as far as mindset, are there some things that you did to like build your mindset or like solidify your mindset to invest in your business, or whatever it may be? Maybe you read a book. I don't know. Like, was there certain things that you did to kind of have a solid mindset going into this?
Yeah, so one thing I actually did for me to help my mindset is I started connecting with other affiliate marketers, people in my space, to pick their brain, come up with ideas, and see where I was struggling at to see what I could do to improve. That helped my mindset. Now, one of the biggest factors for me was actually writing out what I wanted my goals to be. So every day I'd get up on the whiteboard and I'd write my goals. So that would probably be the easiest way. Write out your goals on a whiteboard. Go purchase one. I have 3 of them in the room, and I think the more whiteboards you have, the more money you make. So
Nice.
Get yourself a whiteboard and start writing out all your goals.
Awesome, man. And the last one that I wanted to touch on was the tools that you use. A lot of people are afraid to spend money on these monthly subscription to these tools. Why is it so important to have tools for your business?
So one good idea, the reason why you want to have tools is because passive income. And when I say passive income, when you have tools such as Aweber, or you have a tool to host all your emails, when I send out one email, I can generate 3,000 or 5,000 in affiliate commissions from having tools. Now, in the beginning, when I had 0 people on my email list, or even just 100, I was scared to lose money in the beginning. But having that tool for the long run, now that I can just send out emails relative to any products that I'm promoting, that's great. Now, some of the tools I would recommend if you're getting started, make sure you have a website builder. Make sure you have an email responder. And those are like the 2 biggest tools. And if you're doing affiliate marketing, make sure you have tracking. So I hope that answers a question with tools.
For sure, man. Awesome. Well, is there any last words you want to give to beginners just starting out with affiliate marketing? I know it's funny because there's so many other opportunities to make money online, but I think affiliate marketing is still remains one of the best. It's just the platforms change. So any advice for beginners?
So the number one thing I would say for a beginner is be careful with shiny object syndrome. A lot of people have it. I feel like I still sometimes have that, where I see someone, they have a system, and it catches my attention because I'm interested. And I'll give you an example. One of the things that caught my attention was someone mentioned how you can find viral traffic to any offer that you promote. And what the method was that you set up a program, an affiliate program, where someone refers someone, and it's like what Uber did, and it's like all these big companies where everyone can get their own unique referral link if they refer someone to the program. So watch out for shiny object syndrome. And what you want to do if you're in the beginning, watch as much YouTube content so you can start picking out what is BS and what's real. And then when you watch all the free content that you can, it can help you make an educated opinion on training courses, mentors, and people you want to follow. So take in all the free content you can before you buy something.
Awesome, man. I appreciate you jumping on this call and sharing your experience as, once a beginner, now super affiliate, to the audience. And if for anyone watching, definitely go check out Anthony's channel. It's the first link in the description. Man. Thanks. I appreciate you being here.
Yeah, thanks for having me on the channel, man. I hope I can help anyone who's beginning and getting started. Good luck everybody watching this video right now. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy to help.
All right, take care.